In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add, control, and adjust background audio using triggers in Articulate Storyline 360. First, open your course in Storyline 360. Insert your background audio file onto the slide, then preview your course.
Welcome to the e-learning course on Respectful Workplace Behavior Practices, Module Resolving Workplace Issues. Click Start to begin.
You'll notice that the background audio keeps playing even after the slide ends, and that's what we'll fix next. To stop the audio when the slide ends, create a new trigger and set the action to pause media. Select your background audio file and set it to trigger when the timeline ends on this slide. Click OK, then preview your course again.
Welcome to the Start to begin.
Now, the background audio stops exactly when the slide ends. If you want the background audio to start from a specific time on the next slide, add a cue point at the moment you want playback audio to begin. Then, create a new trigger and set the action to play media. Select your background audio file and set it to trigger when the timeline reaches that cue point. Next, create another trigger, set the action to pause media, select the same audio file, and set it to trigger when the timeline starts. Click OK. Preview your course again to make sure everything works as expected.
By the end of this module, you will be able to learn how to identify workplace issues effectively, know the appropriate channels for reporting unacceptable behavior, plan and initiate conversations.
To restart the audio from the beginning on another slide, create a new trigger and set the action to play media. Select your background audio file and set it to trigger when the timeline starts on that new slide. Click OK, then preview your course again. Now, the background audio starts playing right when the slide begins. And that's it. You've just learned how to add, control, and adjust background audio in Articulate Storyline 360 using triggers. Thanks for watching, and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.